Today we're making spicy sausage rice. Let's make great blend of veggies and sausage rice quickly. Grab a pan, turn on flame and add olive oil 1 teaspoon. Add 1 diced red onion and mix it well. Add 1 red pepper and mix it well too. Add 2 garlic cloves chopped finely. I have added 5 spicy sausage cut into small pieces, but you may add whole sausage too. After a mix, add 1 to 2 teaspoons smoked paprika powder and mix them all. Then add 1 cup long grain rice. Add 1 cup white wine. Let's everything mix. And add 2 cup about 500 grams chicken stock. Every time you add an ingredient you should mix well. Then comes veggie part. Add 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 4 spring onions and a bunch of parsley. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes and you're done. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe our channel for more easy and quick recipes. Thanks for watching.